Kates hadu menekasngi kaba ngila shim bat ngila pa siapo kajakates kilong sihajar lais pa kendai peunyo ngut nangta kin number ka result ka bengiyo ka belong negatif sihajar ars pa pra pau prangut nangta ka number ka bengidang up ka result ka bengidang up na kini kalong kendai peunyo teli menin ngila shim ya ka sample ya kini ki positive cases ki don kat wengut tenrei ke ba menin ka sngi namar ka sngi ka ban kut kalong kat sau sngi te menin janmet la shim ya ka sample jong ki prangut na kitu ke ba yo yau ne kunyang jingpang prangut kabamut light no kitu ki laingut namar kitu kampat kut koto ka kat sau sngi Tega banga sungutenat ban pentip akmat jogi pajba jogi jela borok akan ikasngi kalong ba yak result layo bat borok prangut menta kilong negatif. Tehnrei hadin arpo sau kenta ngin simbiang ka sampel sesisin pat yakine borok prangut lasyai kasngi kabamut lasyai kasngi ngin simbiang ka sampel ban reconfirm susu ba kilong negatif. But hadin jom kata nakalian ka sorkar kan sa declare sondon ba une uknyang jingpang ulayap. Kabamut kum bakalong menta ulayap. Hakini ki prangut tenrei ka protokol ngihap ban le bat kata ka protokol kalong ba ngihap ban sim arsen na kabenta. Kitu kibayo ya ka positive case. Nakaliang jong ka government, ka personal department, ka warna ya kawi ka proposal, namar bahadu menta ya ka post commissioner secretary jong ka law. Hadin bala syong type no itu iba karleng do. Kadang 4 la ban pendam, te ka kabinet kala approve ya ka proposal, bantung on contract basis, ya iba W clip, iba day retired commissioner secretary jong ka law antung ya on contract basis na kabenta henriu benai yakitu ki unregistered laborers apo kejela barkhot ki bom yo ya ki jingmentoi ne ki department ki ba ba hakabakum kan ka por ki don kam ya ki jingerap na ka state government te menta kasngi ngilawan ra ya ka final list ka bapoi silak Prapusau hajar, sispa prapusau ngut. Ka kabinet kala approve, ya kene ka list, batru banseu yakine kalong, nadu ka arpulai terik ubenai March, kabankut ha ukhat sau terik ubenai April, kabamut na kebenta kini ki lai tayo ka lockdown. The committee headed by Commission Secretary, they are still working out the modalities, how to bring back or relative or friends or students or young boys, young girls from outside the state. So right now we are still working out the modalities how to bring back these people from outside the state. So we are yet to finalize the modalities. So once the modalities is in place, I will again come back to you. That's what right now, this committee headed by Commissioner Secretary, where even DHS is part of the committee, they still working out the modalities and the protocols. Okay? How to go about it. Because we wanted to make sure that those people, those friends, those students, or boys and girls, brothers and sisters, who has to come back to stay, because from the government side we have to be ready with solid modalities, and number 2 is we need to also carry along all the localities, headman, rangba shnong, the committee shnong, everybody has to be also on board, because ultimately these people will have to go back to their respective villages. deferment kan long effective number one 50% ke cross salary jong ni ki chief minister deputy chief minister borok 50% deferment kabar 50% again yaki all India civil service nanta kabalai 35% yaki group A B nantai ki group C 25% like no pada officers staff of the departments of health and family welfare and number 2 employees C employees ki category ki group C employees jong ki police but home guard ya kita ngim kita ya kaneka deferment kabar ya ki municipal board ngim kita ya kanero namar kinir ngisi magita ki frontliner mo donang ta no deferment ya kini ki salary ki bang hapseu ya kini ki group D mdon deferment nang tai ki pension ru mdon deferment